सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा। आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा, ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा। आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा।
Arush, where are you? The video has started. You are still not here. Where are you? Come fast. Whoa! From where did you come up?
Down here.
Okay, so what have you brought today for us?
Good. Today we are going to make gotala.
Gotala. It's a Surti dish. I know. It's famous dish of Surat.
Yes.
So, yes, we'll be enjoying it.
So let us start. Guys, I'll show you the ingredients so it will be easy for you to remember.
Arush, I see so many ingredients.
Let us start. First, we'll take oil. This is for the gravy. Second, one more batch of oil for the omelette. And then salt, raw eggs, onions, tomatoes, boiled eggs, haldi, coriander, and chili paste,
Green chili paste, that is.
and masala,
Hmm?
red Kashmiri chili powder for color,
Oh yes, it looks lovely with
garlic
this.
water,
Mhm.
spring onion,
And chopped garlics.
yeah.
So let us start now. So I see the pan heating. Arush, what is you're going to do?
I'm going to make omelette. This pan is very hot right now. I'm starting to sweat from here.
Okay, so let us start.
Oil. The oil is heating very fast today. Look guys how it is heating very quickly.
Yes, I can see. So first step was of raw egg.
Yeah.
So Arush, you're cracking the egg.
Yes. I'm cracking it, letting the yolk stay good and nice.
You are going to make full omelette.
Mm-hmm.
Then,
Half fry.
oh, such a good half fry it looks.
It looks like a smiley shape, no?
Yes, it looks like a smiley. Arush, where are you? I can see bumping somewhere from. Oh, I can see your hand. Where are you? But come out fast.
Whoa!
Oh, I got afraid. Oh,
Now let's pour oil in the pan again. The same pan we used for omelette.
oh.
We'll add
What did you add?
garlics.
Garlics. What are you up to? What are you going to make now?
We are making the gravy.
Oh, that's nice. What did you put this?
Garlic.
Oh, garlics.
Now we'll put onions.
Oh, that's lovely. Garlic and onions.
It's a soccer match.
Between garlic and onion, my team is garlic.
My team is onion. I'm going to definitely win.
There came the football. Hey,
I scored a point.
I got a point. Oh, you got a point. Oh, goal. Again one goal. You made all the goals. I'm losing it.
Because you took a smaller team.
Oh, what
Salt
did you
is
put?
the referee.
Referee.
Salt.
Oh, yeah, it's going to mix with everyone and make it fast. Oh, again goal. You are putting too much goal. I need to make one goal.
I'm never going to let you make a single goal.
I'm so sad. Oh, my friends came tomato. It's going to help me now.
Now garlic and tomatoes
Versus onions.
Yes. Tomatoes on my
Come
side
on,
and
mix.
your side.
But where is the ball? The ball is lost in the tomatoes.
Because we added tomato now.
Yes.
We should have added green capsicum one.
Yeah, that would be nice, but our recipe doesn't require that right now, right?
Right.
Okay, so this gravy is looking nice, Arush.
Yes.
I think you are going to make something yummy now.
It's smelling beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, what is this?
Chili sauce.
Green chili. The green chili. It's going to be
We have
spicy, I
added
think
one
so.
spoon.
1 spoon of green chili, crushed green chilies.
Yes.
I think it's going to be the spicy recipe.
It's very nice.
I like spicy. Oh, red chili.
Red Kashmiri chili
Oh, you put Kashmiri chili. Why?
for color
Oh, nice.
and spice.
Kashmiri chili gives nice red color. And what is this? Garam masala?
Yes. It's
Oh, this is
haldi.
haldi, turmeric. Oh, yes.
Now
Now what are these?
spring onion green.
Spring onion. You should have put spring onion instead of tomato. We would have nice match that time. What is this?
Garlic water.
Garlic water. Oh, this is something new you have put it, garlic water. We never tried, right?
Right.
Oh, nice. This is going to be a yummy treat, Arush. Thank you for bringing this recipe, Arush. I am
Welcome.
really enjoying. I will be enjoying this. I think
Now
so.
there's a crushing mash.
Crushing. You will be crushing everyone.
Who will win? We will find out. I
Yes.
think the spring onions will
Please
win.
don't crush me. Please don't crush me.
Everyone will be crushed except
My
spring onions.
my team, don't crush my team.
All teams are being crushed.
Oh, I think the spring onions are standing. We are not able to crush them.
Yes.
Okay, so Arush, why are you crushing this so it should become smooth gravy?
Because I want it to be nice and flavory in the gotala, and all the flavors may combined into a one nice sauce.
Oh, that's why. I understood. It's going to, all the flavors are going to be combined. That's why you're crushing it.
Now we are removing it from the crusher.
Oh, you're really a great chef, Arush. You have a lot of knowledge.
Oh, no need. I was a chef just from 6 or 7 years. I started my first cooking.
Oh, really? You enjoy cooking, I know, really. This is looking yummy. I can see the oil also coming out from the...
Yeah, I can smell that aroma from here. I'm feeling very hungry now.
You always feel hungry when you are cooking.
Oh, my tummy rumbled.
I know you are ready to eat.
But I still can't eat now.
We have to wait it. So the gravy looks so yummy, Arush. I really feel like it's going to be yummiest gotala.
Yes, look at this yummy paste.
Yes. Is it done or we need to add something more? What is this?
Grated eggs.
Oh, you are grating the boiled eggs.
Yes.
I have
That's
not
why
seen
we
something like this.
That's why we brought those boiled eggs.
Hmm.
To grate them.
Really, it looks nice. Now I am feeling this is something different. I have never seen it grating the eggs in the gravy.
We always do that when we feel like making without video. Right, na Dada?
Yes, beta. Yeah, now we are mixing it in. It's become very thick, Arush.
Good. Let us add in water.
Oh, yes. If not, it will get burnt, right?
Right. Only if you are feeling like struggling to mix, then only you can add.
Yeah, if we don't add water, then it will burn and we will be getting black gotala. Yeah. No, we don't want black gotala, right?
I want to run away from here, but I don't want to.
Oh, now
We'll add
little more.
little more water.
Yes, I think so. It's looking nice. You brought the crashing. Again, you're crashing the eggs also.
The eggs are losing.
I think because of the yellow part which is not there, you are mixing that with it, right?
Right.
Oh, so it should also get mixed and it should get the flavor.
All flavors will mix into a yummy special sauce.
I would love to eat it. When you will give me, Arush? I want to eat it now.
But it's a long process now. We have to take patience to make gotala. Even I am feeling of eating, but I'm still using my patience.
Oh, really?
My tummy rumbled again.
Oh, yes, I can hear that. Guys, this looks really nice, Arush.
Yes.
It's going to be really tasty. I thought while mixing the tomatoes, onion, it was done. You are going to eat it, but you brought the boiled eggs. Is it done now?
We are adding coriander.
Oh, coriander too. Yes, it gives the minty flavor. Little bit greenish, the herbs flavor in it, right?
Right. If you want like herby flavor, you can add kasturi methi.
Oh yes, that's also nice. Kasturi methis.
Yes. But coriander is like kasturi methi only, but kasturi methi has more herbs in it.
Yes, I know, but I like fresh coriander. Arush, is it done? Shall we eat the half fry and the gravy? Is it like that?
No.
Oh, you have added the whole gravy on the half fry. Now? What is this you're doing?
I'm going to break the eggs.
Oh,
I'm going to break the eggs in. Break.
it's a fun recipe.
We should have scrambled the eggs maybe.
So you have to mix the half fry in this gravy.
Yes, if you scramble it is nothing, just mixing.
Shall I help you? I like playing drum like this.
Yes, it's like playing
Can you
drum.
give me one stick?
Yes.
Oh, kung fu.
Kung fu, kung fu. Kung fu, kung fu. Kung fu, kung fu. We are going to win. I won it.
So the last and the
Final step. Coriander.
putting coriander for the nice garnishing.
Right. Here. Make an eyes. Remove the bad coriander. Take the good ones. Make a smiley face. 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 Woohoo! Make a smiley face. Woo!
That looks lovely, Arush. Oh, Arush, the dish is done. Now what shall we eat this? It is yummy. The dish is yummy.
Yes, it's sure.
Arush, the dish looks so yummy to me.
Yes, I will eat this normally. If you want to eat this, you can use bread, and if you don't, you can eat with the pav from shops. And if you are very health conscious, you can take chapati. Chapati gives better taste and nutrition. So I'm going to taste this normally, as this will contain a lot more nutrients.
Okay, wait.
Guys, let me taste this for you.
Is it yummy?
Yes. Guys, I'll keep eating this. In the meantime, please subscribe this video and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Bye bye.
Bye bye.